Kospet, the watch that you want. Kospet is back with another great budget red smartwatch, and this time with one amazing AMOLED screen with always-on option. Welcome to the review of the Kospet Tank T2. Diego here, welcome back, or welcome. If is that the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're going to start the review of the Kospet Tank T2, this lovely smartwatch here. I will let you know all about this watch, price, specs, everything. And in the end, I will let you know if this is a good watch to buy or not. Spoiler alert, I think it's one of the best of 2022. Let's start with the price. The Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch has a price tag of $129.99, but they have a launch price of $99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. On the box, you have the manuals, a magnet USB charger with 2 magnetic pins, a silicone strap, and the watch itself. Checking the watch, it looks amazing. Its design and material selection is based on a US mil-std 810H. I don't even know how to say it. Well, this is based on 12 US tests. So, low temperature test, high temperature test, damp heat test, shock test, vibration test, rain test, salt spray test, low pressure test, fungus test, contamination by fluids test, sun and dust test, and solar radiation test. Oof, I'm tired now. Its body not only looks great, but it's also built to last anything, even being run over by a car. The front have the power and the sport written where the buttons are. At the back, you have the health sensors in the middle and the charging dots at the top. On the right side, you have 2 buttons. The top one is the power button and the other one the sports button. The orange finish in the buttons gives the watch a great look. In between the buttons, you have rugged style written. On the left side, you have the mic hole. The Kospet T2 measures 267mm by 49mm and its thickness is 14.5 mm. It weighs 71 grams, so it's not a small watch. So let's see the specs now. The CPU is Realtek 8763EW. You have 1.43 AMOLED screen with always-on display and a res of 466 by 466. The memory, you have RAM 64 kilobytes and ROM 128 megabytes. You have 24 hours health tracking with HR, SpO2, blood pressure and sleep tracking. Wi-Fi Bluetooth calling. And the Bluetooth is 5.0, 70 sports modes with smart recognition. You have 5atm and IP69K waterproof. A full body metal with metrology certification. You have a battery of 410 mAh battery. And an app, Kospet Fit. This is how it looks on my wrist. It looks big, but I will say it's big enough. Wearing it all day is not a problem, although it's big, looks great on your wrist. Battery life. Comes with a magnetic charging base, zipper fits in the back, and is a very secure magnetic connection. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge the 410 mAh per Kobat battery. You can expect 50 days on a standby. With a normal daily use, it will be around 10 to 15 days. And if you use the always display on, it goes down to 2 to 3 days. Let's have a closer look to the OS. Swiping left will take you to the tiles, where you have the steps, sleep tracking, where you can see all the information about your sleep, HR information, SpO2, blood pressure, weather, and music control, and so on, because you can add more tiles. Swiping to the right will take you to your menu with all your apps. Swiping down will take you to the quick settings, where you can turn your watch speaker, put your Do Not Disturb on for all day or for a specific time, change your apps menu, or you can go into your settings and you can choose to have the always display on. You have a choice of two, and look at it, looks amazing. Swiping up from the bottom will take you to your notifications. To change the watch face, press the center for 2 seconds and you will be presented with a whole bunch of watch faces. You can also change the watch face on the app or in the app in a few minutes. The Kospet T2 was made thinking about outdoors. It has 70 sports modes with intelligent recognition of 6 sports. So, if you're running, for example, the watch will recognize that and will ask you if you want to record your running session. Great feature for a budget watch. The app Kospet Fit. Choosing the watch faces on the app is so easy. You just tap the ones you want and it will change quickly. On the app, you can see all the information about your sleeping, your heart rate throughout the day, your SpO2 information, your blood pressure, steps weekly and monthly. You can record all your workouts and you can adjust all your settings. A simple app, but that works great. I'm sure Kospet will keep updating the app to get it more complete. Now that we are nearly finished our review, I'm sure you remember I said the Kospet Tank T2 has a speaker. So here is the speaker test. Please be the judge and let me know in the comments what you guys think about the speaker.
Dancing slow motion, my eyes can't help looking at you right now.
Kospet Tank T2. One great design, lots of feature fitness built in, health tracking 24/7, one amazing 1.43 inches AMOLED screen with always on display, 5atm waterproof, and full metal body with military certification. At this price point, the Kospet Tank T2 is the best choice possible. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them on the comments. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Kospet Tank T2. Only thing missing in this smartwatch is the GPS, in my opinion. Like always guys, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them out for best price and product information. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely Christmas with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.